In 2020, the Gundam Factory Yokohama opened, designed to showcase a giant robot. At 18 meters tall, it's a full-size representation of the legendary Gundam. But it's not just massive. This robot also moves. Legs, arms, head, even the fingers. In all, there are 34 movable parts. This makes its action look very dynamic and realistic. The sheer scale of this robot has won it a place in the Guinness Book of Records. The 1979 animated TV series Mobile Suit Gundam was the start of a still immensely popular worldwide franchise. The moving Gundam robot is part of a project celebrating the 40th anniversary of that first TV series. In the project's fictional background story, pieces of a Gundam robot were discovered in Yokohama. A team of researchers decided to recreate the long-lost robot, and the time has now come to activate their giant machine. A full-size robot that moved just like its iconic anime inspiration. The project to realize this dream got underway from 2014. It required the skills of specialists from many different fields. Yoshizaki Wataru is a robot researcher. He developed the advanced software that keeps the robot perfectly in balance as it moves. That's the secret behind its realistic movements. Kawahara Masaki designed the robot's external appearance and choreographed its performance. And Ishii Akinori had the key role of designing the mechanism that actually moves the robot. Ishii has been a Gundam fan all his life. My first Gundam experience was playing with Gunpla plastic models when I was just a little kid. I thought mobile suits were the coolest thing. I even chose a career at a construction machinery company because I dreamed of being able someday to build a moving life-size Gundam like this. Ishii developed the world's first heavy construction machine with arms able to move as freely as those of a human. He decided to leave his company job to devote himself full-time to this robot project. But even for a designer of Ishii's skill, building the 18-meter Gundam proved extremely challenging. The team's mission was to create a dynamically moving robot that stayed faithful to the original Gundam design. The anime design favored style over realism, with long lower legs that look cool but aren't practical. In reality, short thighs and long shins throws off the balance, so the robot can't kneel and get up again. Working closely with Yoshizaki, the system director, Ishii made many trials, eventually finding that a 1-to-1 thigh-to-shin ratio allowed the robot to make the large dynamic poses they wanted. Kawahara then designed new knee guards that would make the robot's legs look as long as in the original anime version. And so a dream held from childhood finally became reality. After 6 years of hard work, their record-breaking robot was finally complete. I want children to see what can be achieved when adults take play seriously. This is the same technology that supports our daily lives behind the scenes, and I want people to feel just how amazing that is. The 18-meter-tall moving Gundam is the result of one man's lifelong passion. Ishii hopes it will inspire the same passion in the children who come to see it.